What if I told you that 2 months is all you need to become a data analyst? I'm not joking. Watch out this video till the end, and I'm going to show you the career map for a data analyst and how you can become a data analyst in just 2 months by providing a dedicated efforts of 2 hours, at least 2 hours on a daily basis. If somebody is telling you that you can become a data analyst just by learning SQL, Excel, Power BI or Tableau, then you are highly mistaken. Many courses on the web are actually focusing on these things: SQL, Excel, Power BI, and they commit that you become a data analyst. But when you apply for jobs, you find the real pain, because mostly in the data analytics jobs they are either asking for Python knowledge, they are asking for some sort of knowledge into machine learning, they're also asking knowledge into ETL, data warehousing, and so on, right? That means whatever has been taught to you, you were not told the entire truth behind the data analytics scene. You could have become a data analyst just by learning SQL, Power BI, and Excel way back in 2018, 2017, not in 2023. In 2023, you need to have proper understanding of each and every concept. There is different ingredients that you need to learn, and I'm going to talk about that recipe in this video. What recipe can make you a data analyst? I've also talked about these things in one of my previous videos, not one, in couple of my previous videos, that in order to become a data analyst, you need to have skills in a sequential manner, and that's how you need to learn all these things. It always has to start with programming. Programming is your base. Without programming, you will not be able to become a data analyst. However, you will be able to find a job, but when you go ahead, start working, you will realize that you are missing on a larger component, that is programming. And programming is used on a day-to-day basis for a data analyst. Because when you have to do data cleaning, data processing, data scraping, Python is needed. So, what are the skills that is required for you to become a data analyst? Again, I'm just repeating this: Python, SQL, Excel, EDA, Power BI, Tableau, predictive analytics, ETL, and data warehousing. All these things, statistics as well, all these things are required for you to become a data analyst. And most of you who are following my channel, they might be already knowing that I'm providing each and everything in my live sessions, which are being conducted on Saturdays and Sundays. But again, there are some drawbacks in the live sessions. The drawbacks are that classes are going to be on Saturdays and Sundays, and most of the people do not want to wait for 5 months period of time, right? And that's why I have a solution. And that is the reason of this video. I have launched a pre-recorded content on Data Analytics Masters, where you can get each and every topic that is needed for you to become a data analyst. And I can bet my life on that. The course link will be in the description below. The course starts with Introduction to Data Analytics, then we have Python, then we have EDA, Business Statistics, SQL, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Predictive Analytics, which is otherwise called as machine learning, and ETL and data warehousing. On top of that, we also have interview Q&A guides. We also have 150 plus quiz questions in this particular course, which will be able to help you out in your journey. And apart from these things, of course, we have bunch of capstone projects as well. Right now, we just have 2 projects in the entire curriculum, in the entire program. But trust me, within a span of 15 days, once you enroll, while you are in your journey, there will be more and more capstones that will be added to this program. So this program is not finalized, but it is live, and it already has more than 25 students so far. This program went live on 11th of March. So enroll for this program, and trust me, you can become a data analyst in just 2 months if you give a dedicated efforts of at least 2 hours a day. This program that I'm launching, I'm openly saying that go ahead, do a competitor analysis, check all the data analytics program throughout the internet, whether it is Edureka, Simply Learn, Oxford University, anybody. This program has everything. Not a single topic is being missed in this program. I have also got feedbacks from multiple users that initially they thought this program is a scam, because how can somebody provide each and everything in just 9,999, which is not possible. But yes, it is possible, and I'm giving it for the community. And that is one of the reasons why I have made this program as affordable as possible. Now, talking about some of the demerits of self-paced program and how I have solved those problems as well. Some of the demerits of self-paced programs are, let's say, Udemy or Coursera or any other platforms. The demerits are that you learn, but there is nobody to help you out. There are nobody to help you out and help your doubts. Either you have to reach out to somebody, and that somebody will initially start answering your questions, but at some point of time they will be frustrated, they will stop answering you. Or else if you find a mentor for one-to-one, they could be very expensive, right? In this program, in the very first chapter, you will see join our community link, where you can go ahead. There will be a WhatsApp group link you can join, and that group is going to help you out 24/7 chat support. That means anytime you have an issue, ping in the group and I will personally be able to answer you. That is the value addition in this particular program. And to the first 50 users who will be enrolling from today itself, I'm also going to give them resume preparation and mock interview features as well, which is not a part of the program. So go ahead, enroll for this program. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn, via WhatsApp, and I'm pretty much sure that you can become a data analyst in just 2 months. Not a clickbait at all. 2 hours a day minimum. Put your efforts and you will be becoming a data analyst. That's all about this particular video, guys. In case you have any questions, let me know. And that's it. See you in the next video.